are doing well. In our last class, we have finished a lesson. In today's session, we are going to learn about the phrases and compound noun. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words without a subject, verb, and has partial meaning. It is used as a single part of speech. Phrases don't convey complete thought. Now look at this example, children. The first one, the sun rises in the east. You concentrate on the words which is in the red. There is no verb, there is no subject, and it has a partial meaning, so it is a phrase. Coming to the next, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. On a wall, again, there is no subject, no verb, and it has a partial meaning. It does not convey the full meaning. Boys were playing in the garden. In the garden, again, is a phrase. Now, I hope you people have understood what is a phrase. So, take down this activity and identify the phrases in the following sentences. He shot an arrow into the air. I went home after the class. There are no clouds in the sky today. The flowers will bloom in the spring. Ice bucket challenge has become very famous in our country. Mr. Peter has plenty of money. I would like to have that piece of bread. There came a giant to my door. She found a pen on the road. The cat is behind the door. The other activity for today's session is fill in the blank using appropriate phrases given below. The phrases are there in the bracket. You write, please fill the blanks using the appropriate phrases. Ram Babu started his journey to his grandfather's village in Warangal district. He caught a train to reach the village. The train arrived at the station. At that time, he was hungry and thirsty. As soon as he dashed the train, he wanted to drink and eat something. So he dashed but found nothing to eat or drink. He started walking towards his grandfather's house. On the way, he found a shop which was dash cool drink. He had dash money, so he bought a cool drink and a dash bread. Please write the answers in your rough notebook, and in the next class I will be discussing the answers with you. Now coming next to the compound noun. What is a compound noun? A compound noun is a union of two or more words to convey a specific idea or special meaning that is not as clearly or quickly conveyed by separated words. Compound noun is formed by the combination of two words. The meaning of the formed word is different from the meaning of the individual word from which it is formed. Look at the example. Butter plus fly, butterfly. Second example, sugar plus cane, sugar cane. Here you have seen that the meaning of the new word is different from the two individual words. Compound noun can be formed by different combination. A few are given below. Noun plus noun, bus stop, firefly, football. Adjective plus noun, full moon, blackboard, software. Verb plus noun, breakfast, washing machine, swimming pool. Noun plus verb, sunrise, haircut, train spotting. Now types of compound nouns. Compound noun can exist in three different ways. It is joint compound noun, separated compound noun, or hyphenated compound nouns. Coming to the joint compound nouns, the two words are joined together to form a one word. See in the picture, ear plus phone, earphone. Bed plus room, bedroom. Tooth plus paste, toothpaste. In separated compound noun, there will be a little space between the two words. As shown, see here children, water plus tank, water tank. Movie plus stars, movie stars. Address plus book, address book. And in the third type, hyphenated compound nouns, dry plus cleaning, there will be a hyphen between the two words. See here as dry cleaning. Walking plus stick, walking stick. There is an activity for you to form a new compound words. The first one is already done for you. Please take down this activity children, and answers will be discussed in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.